Tint World's paint protection film protects your vehicle's flawless finish. Our virtually invisible protective films can be applied to any painted surface. It is designed to protect your car's high-impact areas against road hazards such as stones, road salt, insects, and more. This film will repel dirt and water, fight off stains, and provide extreme scratch and chip resistance. If your film gets nicked on the road, it will actually heal itself. Our process is simple. Browse our paint protection film packages online. Book your appointment, then bring your vehicle in at your scheduled time. Once you arrive, you'll be greeted by our staff who will review the details of your upgrade. Feel free to relax in our showroom while our technicians upgrade your vehicle, or you can drop it off and we'll contact you when it's ready. Once your vehicle is finished, one of our technicians will review the services performed and answer any questions you may have. Life's too short to drive boring cars. Book your appointment today.